Lots of lifts.
Okay.
Lots of
Botox.
lifts are
Are you
happening.
looking for the word Botox?
I'm
there?
sure. Yeah, I'm just gonna be quiet and toss it to you, Jen. lots of things happening, but hey, if you want to do it, you do it.
If you want to do it, you do it. Well,
Yeah.
let's go ahead and talk a little bit about your forecast at this time. Taking a look across the southeast, what we're starting to see, plenty of sunshine. You can really start to see some of that activity taking place further towards the south. So some of those showers, those thunderstorms just situated over the Gulf, that's not going to be impacting us heading into today. We're going to continue to see plenty of sunshine, just a few clouds, things looking nice out there, but also things looking warm. Now it's going to be different from what we saw last week. Already beginning to see those temperatures warming up. It felt better this morning, but now we're starting to see more of those lower to mid 80s, a couple of those upper 80s closer towards the coast. But here's the biggest difference. The heat index right now feeling like the mid to upper 80s. This is right around average for this time of year. This is typically how we feel in the summertime. Just last week, the biggest difference is going to be that humidity. Our dew points, they've dropped by about 10 degrees, so it's not feeling as muggy out there, but still feeling pretty warm, already feeling like the lower 90s closer towards the coast. But even by the time we make it later on into today, we're still going to be warming up, but feeling right around these numbers. That's really going to be the biggest difference. Daytime highs maxing out lower to mid 90s, and then by the time we make it into this evening, dipping down into the lower to mid 80s. Now, in case you're heading on out towards the coast, the rip current risk, it's moderate today, so make sure you are being careful. As always, know what beach you're located on and where the closest lifeguard stand is. Heading into tomorrow and Wednesday, however, expecting that to drop to low. The water conditions will start to look better heading closer towards the end of the week, and that surf height just around 1 to 2 feet. I'll tell you that water temperature mid 80s. Now coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, what you can expect for the 7 days. We'll run through your futurecast and check in on the tropics. All that's coming up soon. Joe.
All right, we've got the whole crew here. Discovery Shark Week is underway, and we're also getting in on the action this week. We're doing shark movie trivia this morning. Are y'all ready? Ooh, I guess.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes, I am ready.
Jen, do you want to start out
I will
asking a
start
question,
off.
and we'll follow through?
Okay, in the 2016
Buoy with this massive aggressive shark just continuing to try to get her, but I'll leave it at that in case you want to see
Sounds
it.
a good one to watch during
Yes,
Shark Week.
It is.
exactly. All right, here's question number 2.
to Jaws.
I like it.
Named it after that.
Okay.
All right, what is the name of the...
Last weekend.
Intense.
Yep.
Okay. In the 2000.
Together. Was this the one where they went
Down to go shark swimming.
and then they left him behind?
How many meters down did they go?
47. I think the cable broke or something in it.
There's one movie where it's now my fear that they go out snorkeling or scuba diving and they double count the people that come on the boat.
Oh, no.
And then leave 2 people behind.
Oh, no.
Which it was a real life story that did happen.
Staying on the boat.
Yeah, but that's also my real life fear
Okay.
now. All right, which disease were
This game?
This is the last one, so everyone hold on
I know
to
the
this.
answer.
Don't. What was the name of the Great, you guys.
We all did, but I won, so, you know.
I hope you did well at home, too. Lots of shark content
Yes.
this week and next week, especially on Discovery if you are into Shark Week, or you could just go swim in the Gulf.
I don't know how I feel about that one.
Yeah, this is a good transition to talking about weather.
It is.
your
Let's go
distance.
ahead and transition there.